So after Thursday night was a complete disaster with the car. I've returned it basically completely to original stock form. The only thing that isn't stock now is this DDR bracket thing at the back, at the front, to hold that in place. I managed, one of the lads at racing generously gave me a little Christmas present and gave me the twin mounting pod thing, because that'll keep the body a bit more stable. And I've got these little DDR racing cone spring centralizer type things. And I've gone back to the original pod, which therefore sits in the first hole rather than the second hole. So we've returned the car basically to stock setup. See whether or not that makes any difference. But luckily, I'm on a little test and tune type session with a couple of gurus tomorrow, so hopefully they'll be able to give me some tips and tricks and point me in the right direction. Because as much as I enjoyed my racing, as you'll see in the video coming out tomorrow, it was very frustrating first race back after the Christmas break. Anyway, look out for the video dropping tomorrow, guys.